Good morning. This is Roland Batkovich, the site manager of a current site. I'm just preparing some paperwork for the induction for the toolbox talk to start for the guys. It's gonna be regarding the noise, and I'm gonna record this toolbox talk. It's just I need to prepare the papers. I'm gonna now show it to you. So we use this kind of forms. Project UAG, date today is 20 June 2022. So this is the coverage of our toolbox talk. The last page. So I'm just gonna finish filling the form. We don't have many guys here, but just we're gonna make the toolbox later. Okay. I'm gonna later walk through the timesheet, which already been pre-filled, so just waiting for people to come with this kind of forms. We also use like many other forms and checklists, but I'm gonna go later with them. Okay, so that's the first video.